The channel, I'm Doug, and today we're going to be reviewing the movie What? This is the cover for What? I don't know why they called it that. Now, before I say my thoughts, I'm gonna show you some of my reactions to scenes in this movie. This is crazy. Wow. That's a nifty little thing. Oh my god, that's crazy! Okay, now I'm gonna talk about some of my thoughts about the film. The movie is about Georgi Wabasa. Georgi Wabaha. So, Georgi Wabasa becomes president. Georgi Wabasa becomes president. And he is friends with Chenya, I think it is. Chenya is the vice president. And George, or whatever his name is friends with Basa. And the movie is a very exciting movie. And I like the part where Georgi Wabasa becomes president. It was a very exciting movie. I like parts with Jeb Bush and Chenya. I think my favorite part of the film was when Georgi did that funny thing with the thing. Haha. The movie was funny and haha. The movie was also serious and scary to me. I would now like to bring my son William to say his thoughts. But before we go any further, I would like to give a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Satan and Seagulls. Satan with a seagull. Okay, William, what did you think of the movie?
Well, I honestly thought it was really confusing because I don't even know who the characters was, and it seems completely fictional. And Chenya, he's not even in the movie much. He doesn't have a big part. But what? He's all in the movie, but I thought the movie was supposed to be about Chenya. And yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, and it was yeah.
Yeah.
And a lot of the people were injured and stuff, and
Yeah.
and
A lot of religious questions in the movie.
and it was so just like in the the Guardians of the Guardians of the World, the raccoon, those Guardians of the World were taking him from his friends, and the raccoon had rabies, so he ripped the man's face off.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, without further ado, I would now like to bring my son Nugget to talk about what his thoughts were on the movie. What did you think of the film, young Nugget? I thought, I didn't watch it. I mean, I did watch it. I put the "n" in there by accident. It was meant to be just did not, or didn't. I watched the movie, and my thoughts of the
Oh,
movie.
you watched the movie.
I watched the movie, and my thoughts about it were, I thought that.
Corky Wibbush was just crazy.
I thought that G E O R G E space W period B A S H. I thought that his character was very deep, and there were a lot of emotions like sad and happy and scared and confused and disgusted. And I thought the film had a lot of religious questions, and I liked the character E S E D E N T. And I also liked K H E N Y. And I also liked Jeb Bush. I liked Jeb Bush in the movie. Yeah.
Yeah, Jeb Bush. Yeah. I don't know who the other characters were.
And I thought the cover of the movie was a little boring. Like, why? It just says what?
Yeah, what?
But the title of the movie isn't even what. It's just what.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we get some memories of the scenes from the movies? Like, I want to get, I want to see some of those scenes, you know?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I already closed the tab. Yeah.
Fool me once, shame on you. You
And-
can't get fooled again.
Yeah. So what do you guys think about aliens?
We're aliens.
Let's all talk about our religions.
No. Okay. Bunta comes.
Bunta comes. I love Ganesh. Yes, and Ganesh, there was a lot of stuff about Ganesh in this movie. Are we really gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna, take a... We'll be back. What were you saying, Nugget, about how you love guns? Yeah, I love guns, eh? I love guns, eh? That's what I was saying. I love guns, eh? Yeah, guns. My favorite gun is, Kimber. Oh, yeah, Kimber. Yeah. And I think it's good for hunting, like... rats. Yeah, I like hunting rats, you know? Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna act out a scene from this movie. Okay, you be Jenny, and you be Jeb Bush, and I'll be whatever that guy's name is. Hello, Kenya. Hello, Jeb Bush.
Hello, Goward.
I am Georgahe Wapa Saha. I'm going to become president.
Yeah.
Yay!
President.
Okay, folks, we're gonna end it there. Thank you so much for watching. God bless America. And happy trials. And remember, if this video gets to 4 million views, I will watch what are the kids like these days? I'll watch murder live on camera. Okay, goodbye.
Oh,
Is that what you said?
yeah.
That was a good video.
Yeah.
Let's get some beer to celebrate.
Yeah. Blessing for the kingdom come and the next one.
Beer! William, come drink some beer.
Good thing we're not filming. Imagine if it was.
Nuggets on house.
Yeah. Even though you're 17 years old.
Ah, beer.
Beer. Just beer. Just beer.
Oh, drink it out.
Looking for the kingdom come and the next one. Praise God.
That's a good beer. I didn't watch the movie, you know.
Yeah. I watched the trailer.
I didn't.
I watched the clip.
When we were showing my reactions to the movie early on in the video, I wasn't even looking at the screen. I was just
Yeah.
saying things.
Yeah.
To bananas!
Yeah. Praise Ganesh.
Yeah, praise comes hey. Beer!
I get the drink.
No, give me the beer!
I want there.
No. Ferric. I love beer.
I want beer. I want gun. Where's Young Nugget?
I threw him down the stairs. Oh, Poodoo, we're out of beer.
Oh.
I'll go buy more at the store.
Yeah,
Better take my phone with me
Yeah.
in case I get a call.
go. I'll come with you.
Okay.
I love beer.
There's still something left in this can.
Love beer. It's the best. It's bonus. Right, whiskey Aqua. Why are you taking that car?
Because I don't know where my other car is.
Okay.
It must have been stolen
Yeah.
by some fraud.
Like Ed.
Like Ed, I hate it.
Yeah, I hate it. Imagine if and imagine if we were filming ourselves right now. If Ed was watching and we knew that we wanted to eat him alive.
All right. Better go off to the beer store. Wait, am I still filming?
What?